Go into my face bits with me. I'll be using the foundation from UJV. So look at the shade match. It is not about capping. It is not about not showing what you use. Can you see how blended that foundation is on my skin? The coverage is beautiful. I love it. For my concealer, I'll be using these two shades, okay, to highlight my T-zone. Trying to highlight my face properly. Yes, I can get that lifted face. Now I'll be going in with UJV contour stick. It's got the brush to blend behind it, and it's got the product here. So here, if you don't know how to contour your face, contour, you cannot always do it all the time. Most of the time you can decide to go on the natural face, but if you want to achieve a nice sculpture of your face, okay, and that slim cheeky babe. And for the blush, I'll be going in with our products from UJV. You can see super pigmented and blendable. A little goes along. It's time for us to start blending. Yeah, you blend everything out easily. You blend this one, just tap it in. Yeah, you tap it in, you go to the upper part, you just go inside your hairline, move to the cheekbone, make sure you're taking it upward, dab it upward. So let's blend out the blush, okay? Just tap it in. For us to blend our concealer, please make sure your concealer stays where you want it to stay. You don't need to start spreading it. You see the way I'm taking it? I'm only blending out the edges. Just dab. So we'll move to the inner corner lightly. When you're done with the blending, you go in with your foundation brush, okay? Use that to get rid of every harsh lines you've got on your face by dabbing, okay? Don't just go in and set your face like that. It is wrong. Blend it all around. So your powdered contour, don't make it too dark because you don't want to give your face this a black and white look. No, all angles. You don't want to give your nose another shape entirely, so you be very careful with the nose. For the powdered blush, I'll be using these two shades. Remember, it has this strong pigment, okay? Now it's the time for us to blend everything we have on our face. Go in with a powder that is your skin shade. Tap everything on your skin, okay? Don't let anything stop you. Tap it in. Your highlighted zone will still be there. Your contoured zone will still be there. Tap it all in. Don't be afraid to set your face when it comes to our products. Don't be afraid. Some people will tell me if I set my face and I don't cover my eyeshadow will keep breaking. No. When it comes to this setting spray, it does it all. It fixes everything and makes it stay for as long as you want it to stay. Lower lash gives your makeup a good and poppy game change, okay? Always do it. It's glowing time. Let us glow, okay? Go in with your highlighter with a fluffy brush, okay? Go in and blend, okay? Make sure you blend and don't leave it so harsh. See how glowy that cheek is. Let's see the final results. Ta-da! Here's the final look. Isn't this looking gorgeous? See you all later in my next video. I love you all.